Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Coinbase on your Android phone. So you want to go ahead and find your Play Store, go ahead and open up the Play Store from here, and from here you want to use a search on the bottom there and simple type in Coinbase. I'm going to type in Coinbase, find the Coinbase app there in the list, and go ahead and tap on install. Now once the app is finished install, you will just basically need to go through a few steps to set up your account, and you will be able to use Coinbase right from the start. Once it is done install, click on open guys, and you want to first choose how you want to sign in. That's going to basically allow you to sign in with your Gmail or sign up whichever way you want. I'm going to quickly select a Gmail account here, and it's going to basically allow me to sign right into the Coinbase application. You want to complete the process guys, and you'll basically need to fill in a few details here about yourself. So you want to go ahead and fill in all of those details as you want to there, and once you go ahead and fill in all the details, then you'll be able to sign right in Coinbase. And once it is done guys, you will be able to see that you're right in Coinbase, and this is what the app look like. Keep in mind that you see that it's asking me to verify some things at the top, and this is because this is not my personal Coinbase account. But for you, you want to go ahead and ensure that you verify all information. And what it's going to ask you is basically it's going to ask you to enter your email addresses. It's going to ask you to enter your home address. It's going to ask you for ID, whether that's maybe your driver's license, your passport. It's going to also ask you to verify your home address. That could be a bill or so, or whatever it is that it may require. And that's it. Once everything is done, and you can now start to explore the application, you can start to buy and sell and all those good stuff. Very easy and very simple guys.